안녕하세요. 안녕하세요, 여러분. Guess where we're at? We're in South Korea. And we just arrived like 3 hours ago. Not even 3 hours ago, like 2 hours ago. So now we're ready. And we're going to Myeongdong. We're gonna check out their night market. And today is actually New Year's Eve. So there was a lot of people on the way here from the airport. So yeah, I'm sorry I didn't update because I was really busy. And guess what? Korea is so cold. It's colder than Colorado. And we're actually going to I think there's like 8th floor Daiso, whatever. So we're going there. We're gonna buy some heat tech because guys, it was really cold. And for tonight, we are gonna stay in this room, but tomorrow and for the next 7 nights, we're gonna be in a different room because this is like what we saw. But yeah, I'm finally gonna use this. This was my roommate's, not so roommate anymore because we're not roommate, gift to me last Christmas. So I'm finally gonna be able to use it. I think their countdown is gonna be in the Lotte World something. They have a countdown, but I don't think we're gonna be there. So I think we're just gonna stay in Myeongdong and like roam around because apparently the subway closes or stop at midnight. So we don't want to be too far from here, I guess. And we can actually just ride a bus or something later. So yeah, that's the plan. Yeah. Guys, we have been up for like more than like 24 hours now. So I don't even know, like after midnight we're gonna go home and we're just gonna like sleep. So yeah, I guess that's it. And also that's the reason why I haven't been vlogging, because I have been really tired. But I'm gonna really try to vlog since it's me and Ahmed's last trip for a while. Guys, we literally just got off the freaking hotel. We're staying at Travelodge, by the way, and it's so cold. It's freaking cold, guys. We just got out and I'm already freezing. I cannot believe I'm freezing. When we were driving, I don't know if you guys can hear me because I can't even hear myself. But when we were like driving to the hotel, I can see like people with a puffer jacket, and their puffer jacket looks like a gown. Did you see them, babe?
Yeah.
But yeah. Oh, and we're actually staying in Dongdaemun. This is our hotel. It's really nice. Yeah, and if you're staying here, the subway is literally right there in front of us. Yes, I was like, okay, I'm from Colorado, so I know Colorado gets cold, so I know the shit. But no, here it's different. They play differently. And guess what? My face is so nice. What, like, is this the Korea Air?
Maybe their app is lagging.
And they have their own app.
Like my bed keeps going back and forth.
Guys, okay, I'm just like overwhelmed because I haven't been watching Korean drama for like since I was like young, and now like there's so many people. All the people speak Korean or Korean language, and you're just like, am I in a K-drama world? Okay, OA. What is this? You wanna try this, babe? Hey, what do you want to try? Guys, I'm so frozen.
If you wanna.
Okay, can we eat first?
Yeah.
Corn. Thank you. Did you pay?
Yeah, I go first. This is so hard to film, I'm telling you.
There's so many people. Maybe didn't I say I want this?
Huh?
Didn't I say I want this? Try this. Hello. 10,000. Okay, let's room around first, and then I'll decide. Okay, I want to try these. Guys, like, I'm sorry, I don't think I can vlog because I'm so cold.
Should I put it there?
Oh, no. But, you guys see my... Try it.
You try it.
Oh, you first. Uh-uh. Good? Good?
It is good. Good, bad. Did you want the spicy one? Oh. Huh?
I'm so cold.
Makes you warm.
I know, right?
I like this.
Oh my god, look at my face. It's so red.
Even more.
What the hell?
Oh my god.
You like that?
And do like it.
No? You like it. Hi 여러분. Good morning everybody. Happy New Year. It's 2026. It's 2026. Good vibes only. Good vibes only. Oh, but Happy New Year everybody. It's currently 9:18 and I passed out last night. I couldn't vlog that much, so I think I only vlogged that we ate some food in the market, the night market in Myeongdong. But we also went to like a restaurant to eat like samgyeopsal, and yes, I couldn't vlog there, guys. It was so cold, like super duper cold. It's crazy. It's colder than Colorado. It's colder than wherever. It's super cold in here right now. And maybe we were so tired too last night. We were done eating like around 11 and there's still an hour for like the countdown or something. And actually in the Myeongdong area there was like a concert. Like there was like K-pop people that was like singing and all that stuff. Guys, I was so tired and I don't have the right bag for my camera, so I keep like taking it off or taking it out from my boyfriend. So it was such a hassle and I was so tired. I haven't had a proper sleep in like 3 days, especially yesterday. We were like up for like 30 hours that time yesterday, and we were cold. I'm not thinking, but like I think I'm gonna get sick. I woke up with a headache today, but you know what? I slept good. I passed out as soon as it was New Year, and then we greeted each other Happy New Year, and then yeah, I just passed out. And also, this is my view from my hotel. Yep. Our itinerary is we're gonna go to Hongdae and the Gwangjang market, and I want to go to Han River and eat my ramen. Yes, I want to go to Han River and eat my ramen like K-drama. Guys, did I tell you guys that everything here is such a K-drama coded? Like everything. Even like last night, like I saw the police. And because they were so... Okay, so also guys, yesterday, I was so confused what was happening in that area, right? Because there was a concert, but there was a barricade and people were in it. But there's not that much people. But it was like a small barricade, but it was already full. But it wasn't even that much, okay? And then there was a concert, and then the police was telling everybody outside that barricade to like, okay, walk, like, you know, like walk forward, like walk, like, you know what I mean? And I think they're preventing to have like a stampede is that how you say it? But yeah, and I was so confused, like, why are you letting me, like, you know, why are you telling like us to leave? I mean, they were telling everybody to leave, but there was a concert, and so we didn't know where to go, and there was so many police last night. But yeah, and I saw some Korean K-pop singers. I saw Lehigh and I saw Cortez. They were performing last night, but I didn't vlog it because I was so cold. And guys, their subway is so, I don't know, maybe it's just for me. I'm so confused about their subway. You go down there, usually there's like sign. I mean, yeah, there's like a sign, whatever. But you go down there in the subway, and there's stores. It's like stores on stores on stores, and you go find your shit, like, you know. But there's so many stores down there in the subway. Can you believe that? I don't know. I think I vlogged it. I think that was the first time I vlogged. And yeah, so that's the update. I am having a headache right now, so I told my boyfriend that there is also a CU convenience store, or G25. I think that's their popular convenience store, to buy me the, you know, the coffee and then the banana milk and then the ice bucket, and then you mix them. That was good. Also, I tried their, you know, the triangle thing. I forgot what it's called. I tried some yesterday. It was actually good. So I told him to get some too, and some other like microwavable food, because they look good down there. Because I think I'm about to have a headache and I need to eat because I want to take my medicine. But yeah. So did I tell you guys that everything here is such a drama coded? Like the police. Oh my gosh, I saw police earlier and I was like, oh, it looks like from K-drama. Like couples in the subway or couples walking around. So K-drama coded. Like, what the hell? What the hell? And people here are like, oh shit. People here are like nice, and some are, I don't know, maybe because of my last trip in Greece and everybody was just so racist over there, that now that I'm here, I feel like everybody's gonna be like that too. I don't know. Maybe I got traumatized from that trip, but yeah, like everybody seemed nice so far. Maybe they're just poker face, but they're actually nice. But yeah, or maybe because I watched too much K-drama, and some K-dramas, they're actually mean. But yeah, I just can't. It's just so cold. I want to go roam around, but it's just so cold. Okay, I want to film me trying this one. I was gonna eat it later, but let's eat this. I keep seeing this in K-drama. Because that's how it is. Ooh. It tastes like fish cake. Okay, let's try it again. Yeah, it tastes like fish cake, but it's good though. It's good. It's good. And we're gonna try this one. I already ripped it off. It's so hot right now. Guys, we're gonna check out in this hotel. In this hotel. Okay. What the hell? I wanna take it off. Oh my gosh, they make this always so complicated. Oh my gosh! Okay, I got it out-ish. I guess it's a kimchi rice. Kimchi rice, and I think it's so hot. Look, I think it's bulgogi in the middle. Hi guys! We're ready. And my boyfriend actually bought two, so I'm gonna show you how we did it. So it's this one, okay? Buy this one, and then these, the ice, and then the banana milk, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open this, and I saw this hack on TikTok, I think. Then you open this. They actually put this outside and it's frozen. It was frozen earlier. That's why we didn't use it. But okay, I think I opened it weirdly, but trust the process. We actually put our luggages down already, because our check-in for the other room is probably at 2. Okay, and then the banana milk. I don't know what it would taste like with a different flavor. And then we just put it.
Okay, so number 2.
Oh, you see that? Okay. I'm gonna drink some so I can put the whole banana. super nice.
She misses the most important part.
Hey, I still have some here too.
Yep, I do.
What do you mean I missed the most important part?
He's using all of it.
Yep, I was trying to drink some. Guys, my new pet peeve is people stealing my words.
What?
My ideas. My words. I don't like it. And then they make it seem like it's they're the first one who said it. When they heard it from me. It's my new pet peeve. I don't know if that's a real pet peeve, but that's my new pet peeve.
Subway. This is what I was talking. I don't know if I showed this yesterday, but their Subway is a long walk and there's so many stores. Yeah, it's so cold. He's a outfit repeater. It's okay, it's okay. So even here, it's so cold. Oh, and my boots are so loud, it's so embarrassing.
Till we reach number 239.
Okay. Guys, their Subway is so nice because it has like a door. And it's so clean too, and doesn't have any smell. Comparing to New York and London, so much better.
This train is slowing down to keep a safe distance from the foregoing train.
Guys, their seats are heated. So innovative.
It's like heaven.
So nice. Guys, we're in Hongdae now. It is Hongdae, baby. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Hongdae, Hongdae. Okay, now we're so cold. And my hands are freezing.
Yeah, we cross this way.
Okay. Guys, can you hear my boots? So loud. We can go to Hongdae Lounge. Hongdae. Dunkin'. Oh, Dunkin'. Later, we'll find it. It's cuter. What is this store called? It's called Snoopin'. So it's trying this on. You can untie it. I like the black one better. And I'm getting this one. It's so nice, fluffy. And this was only for 15,000. So like $10. This is like what? $15? Which is not bad actually. This one is more better. Look, guys. Okay, yeah. Yeah, he's wearing it now. And I'm wearing my stuffy now. Hongdae is actually so nice, y'all. outside and I want to buy buy this. I wanna buy this. How much is this? Huh? 15? $15? Because I saw it right there outside. It's so cute. And he said this is so comfy. Comfy, comfy. So we're using this app to do our currency exchange.
And I can use some.
Huh? 23. Not bad. So we found a photo booth. How much is it? You insert your card here, I guess. Okay, I want that one too. Maybe this one. Done? One, no, one, two. Yeah. This one.
How much?
6,000원. 이게 김치 5 쌀은
I can check.
5. When he ordered kimchi pancake, taste the first one.
Yeah, you
No, no, I can't. Taste it.
Okay.
Taste it, taste it. Is it good?
It is good.
Kimchi? Is it spicy? Yeah, another one, please. Mama, mama, mama. Can you get it? Okay. Okay.
Oh, nice. I think it's like
This is kimchi pancake. So we're gonna eat in this restaurant. I don't know what this restaurant called. And we've been in line for like how many minutes? 15?
yeah.
It's not that bad. I thought it would be bad because it was cold, but it's alright. Hi guys. We are gonna order. We ordered this one. This one. And it comes with these. Which is cool. What does it look like that? Thank you. No, I think my head hurts because my hair tie is so tight. Wow. Me first? I want to try these. Huh? Oh.
This is okay. I think this is good.
Sausage.
Is it good?
It has the noodles inside. I want to try this.
Is it
This looks
this
good. So good.
This tastes good.
Look at them. It tastes the same. Yummy. Whoa.
What's good with it?
Is it good? Let's taste it. Ooh, it has ginseng inside. That's what they said. What is this, pepper? Maybe we can put pepper.
Doesn't have salt.
Ooh, samida. Wow.
I think we can.
Wow, later I guess. There's rice inside. And this is chicken feet.
You want salt?
So hot.
Don't burn yourself.
So hot. One time. Chicken feet. You can eat the bone.
And you can throw it.
What?
You can throw it.
I ate it. Guys, we're in the 24 hours ramen where you can put your ramen, all that stuff.